This is Xiaomi Redmi 12C, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enter the higher resolution camera mode on this device. So in order to take pictures in much higher resolution or definition, using more camera megapixels, you just gotta scroll the available modes you have at the bottom to the left. Then open the More section and simply tap at the 50 MP mode, which obviously stands for 50 megapixels. From here, let's take a photo while at this mode. Then I will enter the default photo mode and take the somewhat same picture as well. And then we will go into each picture details and compare their resolution. So this one is the regular photo, not the higher res or ultra res or higher definition mode. So let's go into details. So as you can see, this is the resolution that this photo has. Now let's see this value for the 50 MP photo, and it's, well, significantly bigger in terms of both resolution and file size. So to sum up, basically this mode serves as the enhancement of the pictures that you will shoot with the camera of this device. You will get higher resolution, better quality, higher definition, more details preserved inside the photo, but at the same time it comes at the expense of file size, so the photos will occupy significantly more storage space. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.